Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the fourth question of exercise 12.1. So it says a length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 15 root 3 meters at 8 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at that time? So let's draw a diagram. So they're saying there is a 15-meter high pole. So this be the 15-meter high pole, and length of shadow of 15-meter high pole is 15 root 3 meters. So shadow length is 15 root 3 meters at 8 o'clock. Let there be sun. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and shadow length is 15 root 3 meters, and pole length is 15 meters. So let this be A, this be C, and this be C. Next, in the morning, then what angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time? So this is the sun rays, and this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. This the sun rays should be in that direction. So they're telling us to find the angle of elevation. So they want us to find the angle C in this diagram. So, and they gave the length of AB, the pole, height of pole is 15 meters, and height of shadow is 15 root 3 meters. So they gave us opposite side to the angle and adjacent side to the angle. They want us to find the angle. So the trigonometric ratio responsible for opposite and adjacent side is tan. So tan C is equal to opposite side is AB by adjacent side is CB. So tan C equal to 15 by 15 root 3. 15 would get cancelled, and tan C we got as 1 by root 3 degree. So in which angle of tan which is equal to 1 by root 3? So tan 0 is 0, tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, tan 60 equal to root 3, but we got 1 by root 3. Therefore C is equal to 30 degrees. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe and meet you in the next one. Thank you.